All right, you guys, it's time for another giveaway video. We've scoured the internet far and wide looking for new crazy challenges for these videos. And we've come across a little worldwide phenomenon known as cake flipping. Now you're probably asking yourself, what the heck is cake flipping? Well, we were wondering the same thing, so check this out. And though we don't understand it, we love it, and the rules are super simple. Each contestant will flip their cake as high in the air as they can and then catch it on the other side. If you drop the cake or if you smash the cake, you're out. Yeah, it's that simple. But now that we know the rules, let's see who our contestants are. All right, now that we have that out of the way, let's destroy some perfectly good and delicious cakes.
Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1, flip!
Yours is...
One, flip! Oh! Oh, no!
I get it right. He didn't fell on the floor. You eat it.
3, 2, 1, flip! Oh! Why am I so good at cake flipping? 3, 2, 1, flip! Oh! That's bad. Yeah.
Fat guys are on the baking business. This is why I'm good at this.
Yeah! Congratulations, Alex, you're this month's winner. Be sure to check your email because you'll be hearing from us very soon. And if you didn't win, or if your name wasn't drawn, don't worry, we do these every single month. So follow the link down in the description below to enter for your chance to win $1,000 in AFI Fragrances. We'll see you guys next time.